Saya Andi Ruswanto, SPD. Saya adalah mahasiswa PPG dalam jabatan Angkatan ketiga di Universitas Negeri Surabaya, program studi Pendidikan Bahasa Inggris. Nomor peserta 20150307951. Nomor induk mahasiswa PPG saya adalah 20101023157062. Hari ini, tanggal 18 Oktober tahun 2021, saya melakukan kegiatan praktek pembelajaran mata pelajaran bahasa Inggris kelas 7 pada materi KD 3.3 dan 4.3 telling time dengan menggunakan model pembelajaran problem based learning sebagai rangkaian kegiatan Ukin atau uji kinerja pendidikan profesi guru dalam jabatan Angkatan ketiga tahun 2021. Terima kasih. Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke, alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'du. Welcome back to English class with me, Mr. Andi Ruswanto. Hello students, how are you? Okay, thank you. I hope today you are doing great. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Okay, before we start our class, I just want to check, is there anybody absent today?
Nobody.
Okay, good. Hopefully all of you will be healthy and safe. Yeah, thank you. And are you ready to study English?
Yes.
Okay, repeat after again. Are you ready to study English?
Yes.
Okay, good. Thank you. Students, our Prophet Muhammad said that dua is the weapon of the believer. So now, please, for the leader of the class, read to pray together. Yeah.
Yes, I'm ready.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. A'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bi Muhammadin sallallahu alaihi wasallam nabiyyan wa rasulah wa bil qur'ani imama. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma bi rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Strengthen our nationality. Like usual, we are going to sing our national anthem, Indonesia Raya. For every students, please stand up. Let's sing together. Indonesia tanah airku, tanah tumpah darahku. Di sanalah aku berdiri dari batu hidupku. Indonesia, bangsaku,
Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, namaku negeriku yang kucinta. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, hiduplah Indonesia Raya.
Okay, please sit down. Okay, students, today I give you motivation, and the motivation today is practice makes perfect. Repeat after me. Practice makes perfect. Okay, so you have to increase your practice to get the perfect result. Yeah. And students, I just want to ask you to take a look and what is in this following picture, and we will discuss it together. Okay, everybody, do you know what are they? What's this?
Clock.
Clock, very good. And what is this? Digital clock. And on the right corner? Sand clock. Okay. And what do you think? Okay, do you know what are their function?
To tell the time.
Yes, right. Their function is to tell the time. Yeah, it is a clock, digital clock, or even sand clock. Their function is to tell the time. Okay. And today we are going to go to the chapter 3 about telling time. Is that? Telling time. Okay. Thank you. And today our materials is about telling time in minutes and hours. What's that? Minutes and hours. And now we are going to watch this following video and discuss it together. Are you ready?
Ready.
Yay. Good. This is one of short video that I would like to play. Just watch, yeah, about the time given here. Yeah. Example, if you watch a time here mentioned, pay attention on it. Okay. Yes, I will play.
What time is it? It's 12 o'clock. Time for lunch. Cinderella, lunchtime. Okay, coming. What time is it? It's 5:30. It's party time. Let's go. Please wait for me. Cinderella, close your eyes. Open your eyes, please. Wow, thanks. You're welcome. Party time, Cinderella. Time for dancing. What time is it? It's 11 o'clock. Oh no, it's late. Good night. Please wait for me.
Okay, that's it. And let's discuss about this video together. The first question is, do you know what's the movie?
Cinderella.
Cinderella. And I just want to ask you. Okay, let's discuss about the video. Do you know the title of the video?
Cinderella.
Okay, do you know what does the video talk about?
Telling time.
Telling time, yeah? And I'll ask you three more questions. Who knows what time do Cinderella's sister have lunchtime? Yes,
We
now?
have lunchtime at 12 o'clock.
Yes, that's right. Yeah, it's 12 o'clock. Ya, terus ke sini nih, Okay. The third questions I want to ask you. Who knows what time do her sister have party time? Raise hand. Yes, Atta.
5:30.
5:30. Very good. And the last question I want to ask all of you. Do you know what time did Cinderella leave the party? Yes, it's Ibrahim.
At 11 o'clock.
At 11 o'clock. Applause for Ibrahim. Okay. So today we are going to learn about the time. So, yeah. There are 3 times that mentioned in video. Yeah. What time is it? 12 o'clock. Yeah, repeat after me. What time is it? 12 o'clock. And what time is it? 5:30. Repeat after me. 5:30. Yeah. Or you say it is 5:30. Yeah. I just want to replay or repeat the questions. What time is it? 5:30. And the last one. What time is it? It's 11 o'clock. Okay, repeat after me. 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock.
Okay, very good. And in the time or in telling the time, it's only the sharp hour. It's only 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, or even you mention like 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock. But there are another kind of way to how we tell the time itself. Yeah, the first one, yeah, repeat after me, okay, 11:30.
11:30.
Okay, second one, 8:30.
8:30.
Okay, the third one, 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
Okay, and the last one, this is the most different, yeah, that you have heard before this one, yeah, 2.
2.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's have some group discussion to solve some following problems. So after this, you are going to work in pairs, yeah, with your friends, yeah. This table 1, table 2, table 3, and table 4, table 5, table 6 into table 8, and table 7. Okay, and now I would like to tell you, so what are the problems to solve? I give you this one, yeah, how we are going to discuss with your partner about telling the time. So I give you the worksheet here, and you will discuss and answer the questions. Okay, and in the end, you will make a dialogue here. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Thank you very much. I will give you this worksheet. with your peers, with your partner about what is the correct answer. Is it A, B, C, or D? You complete the dialogue. Yeah, here like this one. Number one, is it A, B, C, or D? And number two, and number three, and number four. Yeah, here I give you the dialogue here, and you will answer it. And number four, there are a picture of a clock, and write to answer what time is it. And in alphabet 2, you are going to make a dialogue. Yeah. Here their situation. Yeah. I give you the example for number 1. Okay. First about what time is it? Number example. And number 2, number 3, and into the picture number 6. Do you understand?
Yes.
Thank you. Now please do with your partner. our time to have evaluation time. You have done your job, you have done your worksheet, and you have discussed with your partner, with your peers, and you also have presented in front of the class. Some of you doing great, some of you still shy, some of you still not confident, but it's okay. It's time for you, right, to get an evaluation from me. This is your worksheet that you have done, okay? And some of you here write the dialogue and answer the questions with very, very good result. And all of you also give a good presentation. So now I would like to give you, there are two things that we will evaluate. First, about the discussion result, this one, and about the presentation. The first one, about the discussion result. All of you have done it well. Okay, you discuss with your friend, you discuss with your partner, and you answer all the questions. And some of you not, because you have difficulty in answering the question, but it's okay. I do appreciate all the partners, all the pairs, all the group in doing this kind of worksheet. And the second one, I would like to evaluate the presentations. The first presentation is about how you answer and choose which is A, B, C, or D. And the second one is how you write a very short dialogue about the condition that's given. You search on internet, you search on online dictionary, and you try to type it, right? And you present it. My suggestion for you is to be confident whenever you present something, and do it well when you do something in pairs or in group with your partners. Okay? Be confident. Be confident. Be confident. Okay? Remember my motivation in the beginning, practice makes perfect. And after this, I hope all of you will be more confident in better way in presenting your result. Okay, students. As you know that in the beginning, I give you the title of our chapter in chapter 3 about telling time. And I would like to review the materials, what actually telling time is. So, this is the telling time itself. In the club, we divide two groups from 12 to 6 and 6 to 12. You can mention from the number 1 to number 1 to number 6 as the past, and from number 6 to 12 as 2. Example, like what you have read, what you search on, and for the sharp time, you say o'clock. For example, here 12 o'clock. Okay, so just mention 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and 4 o'clock, even 5 o'clock. But if the long hand of the clock itself point out at 6 number, you say it as a half. A half means that it's gonna be a half or 30 minutes. If the long hand point out to 3, it means it's a quarter past. In this right side. In this right side, it is a quarter past. How about is it in the blue side here? You say it's a quarter to, or a quarter to here. A quarter to. Example here, 12 o'clock, you say 12 o'clock. So I give you some questions here. What time is it? Okay, let's see how to express about the sharp or the sharp time. When it is point out at 3.00. We see it as it's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. Sharp time. And another example is about this one. Yeah. So it's point out the shorthand into 10. So we say it 10:00. Yeah. So it's 10 o'clock. Yeah. It's 10 o'clock. So how about that one? Yeah. It's 9 o'clock. Good. It's correct. Okay. So guys, this is the example of how you express the time. Yeah. In a short time. Okay. Example like 3 o'clock, 7 o'clock. Yeah. There is no quarter or half. So, Mr. Randy, how do we express if the time point out into a quarter past or a quarter to or even a half? Yeah, so take a look at this example. The question is the same. What time is it? Yeah. So first is one. You say, yeah, the minute first, yeah, and after that say the time. Okay. To make you more understand about this one, let's see the number here. We have 05.10. Okay, 5:10. Yeah, 5:10. But we not write it as 5:10, but we mention the minute first. Yeah, the minute first. It's 10 past and the clock itself 5. Yeah, so it is 10 past 5. How if we express this in another time? Here an example. Yeah, take a look at the example. We say it as 09:30. Yeah, because the long hand here point out into 6. Yeah, point out into 6. And we say it as it is a half. Yeah, the minutes first. The minute first. A half past 9. Okay, and how about this one? Again and again. Okay, please take a look at this one. Okay, the minute first. It's going to 30, or we say that a half. So you say it is a half past 3. And the next one after that, yeah, we say, yeah, it is not 10:30, but we say it as a half first. Yeah, a half past 10. And you may look at on your book to make sure and to make it more clear. Okay, guys, this is called what we call as a half. Yeah, 30 minutes. Okay, you can see a half past 3, a half past 9, or even a half past 10. Don't forget, always try to tell the minute first, then the hours. Okay? Good. Next one, yeah, after you discuss with your friends and you see on the activity, you find also another type of learning, right? Another type of learning here. Okay? Yeah. We are going to talk about this. Okay? We are going to talk about this one. Yeah. What time is it? We move to quarter time. Okay? We move to a quarter time. Okay? In 15 minutes. Don't forget. Okay, students, don't forget to mention the minutes first. So a quarter past. Okay? Remember, if it's in 12 to 6, you say past. If it's 6 to 12, you say 2. Okay. Second one. This is a quarter past 1. Yeah, here again and again. Mention the minutes, the quarter, or even everything. Yeah, then mention the hour. Okay, is it quarter past 1, past 3, past 4? Yeah, and after this, you're gonna be look at some information on your internet. You can try how to express another time. Okay, the key is that you mention the minutes first, then the hours. And this is it. Yes, we say a half, a clock, okay, and a quarter. Now, how to express this? Yeah, if the long hand is here, will you say it as 45 past 6? Or is there another way? Let's see. Okay, let's see. Oh no, we should say because 6:45. Okay, we still need 15 minutes into 7 o'clock. So we say it's a quarter to 7. Okay. So you may say, is it okay to say it's 45 minutes past 6? It's okay. Or even in American style, we say just it's a 6:45. It's very simple. And another one here, okay, students, pay attention to this one, to this slide. Another one here, you say it the minutes first, a quarter, okay, a quarter, okay, a quarter to, and what's the time will go, okay, 7, 6, yeah, and the last one, okay, and the last one, we are going to say a minute that is not certain, yeah. It's going to be a very single minute from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's going not to be a quarter or half or even a quarter to a quarter past, not. But here, another example. It's easy. Just remember the formula. Mention the minute first, okay? And you mention the clock. Okay, you mention the clock. Here, example 25 plus 1. Now, how about this? Yes, it's easy. Good. Yeah? It's you say 10 plus 4. And how about that? Yeah? You have 5 minutes in the end and 11 in the front. Yeah? You say it as it is 5 plus 11. Easy, yeah, but you need to practice it more. Okay, you need to practice it more, like what we are going to have in the end of this one. Okay, in the previous slide we see that here we say a quarter to, yeah. So how we express this time? It is 55 past 7, or we're gonna use this formula. Okay. So how you say 2 in hour that is coming from 6 to 12? You, what is that? Try to 60 minutes means how many minutes? Yeah, example, if it is 70 or 7:55. Meaning we still have 5 minutes to 8 o'clock. 5 minutes to 8 o'clock. Okay? 5 minutes to 8 o'clock. So what does it mean? You say like this. It is 5 to 8. It's 5 to 8. And how about this? It's 50, right? So 50 means we still need 10 minutes to go to 60 minutes. Yeah? So we have 10 to 7. Yeah? You just try to remember the formula. 60 minutes to. It's special from 2 formula. Yeah, it's 10. Mention the minute first, and 7. Okay, and 7. Okay, how after 6? Yeah, 7 o'clock. And the last one, we are going to answer that. Yes, that's right. Because 60 means 40 is half 20. So the answer is it's 20 to 11. Okay, it's 20 to 11. It's easy, right? Give a applause for all of us. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, let's give applause for all our friends who have presented a very good presentation. And now let's have some review and reflection toward your learning progress. So what we have learned today? Telling time. Okay. So what do you discuss in your group just now? It's about making dialogue and answer the questions. Okay. And do you find any difficulty making dialogue? Okay, so You may continue to make a dialogue. After this, you may learn on internet how to make a good dialogue. And what's our next agenda is I have shared for you the next LKPD. You do it individually in Google Classroom. And this is the end of our meeting. Let's close our meeting by saying Alhamdulillah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Give applause for all. Demikian video praktek pembelajaran yang saya lakukan dengan materi kelas 7 semester 1, yaitu KD 3.3 dan KD 3.4 Telling Time dalam rangka memenuhi tugas uji kinerja PPG dalam jabatan Angkatan ketiga tahun 2021 Universitas Negeri Surabaya. Saya ucapkan terima kasih kepada setiap pihak yang telah mendukung kegiatan ini, terutama kepala sekolah, siswa kelas 7B, dan juga seluruh dosen serta guru pamong yang senantiasa membimbing dan mendampingi kami. Mohon maaf atas segala kekurangan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.